Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Today we want to draw a summer ice cream seamless pattern and start by create new document. Okay, first file menu, new, and select from preset or profile document. Yes, this size, unit pixel, RGB color, create. Okay, now we want to create a rectangle. So select rectangle tool and we need change fill color to pink, stroke color none, and uh, fill color to pink. We can change pink to okay. Okay, or we can put hex RGB code, change green to 131 and blue to 171. Okay, now draw a rectangle, size width to 190 and height to 300. Okay, and select and from line align to artboard. Okay, very good. Now select direct selection and select two top circles to round corner, top corner, and change to 95. Okay, very good. Now select two bottom circles and slightly round. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Okay, very good. Okay, now we want to create three rectangles to put inside ice cream. Okay, select rectangle tool and first change color, hold shift and 130, 163. Okay, and set size to 32 and 190. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, zoom in. Now go around. We can change color a darker. Okay, now it's good. Now we need two copies from this shape. Okay, right in position, select Alt and hold Alt Shift in keyboard. And now Control D. Okay, we have three shape. Select Control G and select to shape. From align key object, select key object and align. Okay, now move to down. Okay. Okay, now we want to add a wooden stick to the bottom of our ice cream. We can select rounded rectangle tool and create a 45 in 135. Very good. And now we want to change the color. Okay, Alt Shift 240, 155 and 151, excuse me, and 107. Okay, move, select two object, align to key object, select key object. Very good. And okay, right click, arrange and send to back. Okay, very good. We can move this. Okay, now the ice cream is ready. We want to create copies from this ice cream and change color. Okay, select all item, Control G. Okay, Control D, excuse me, Alt and Shift. Okay, now we want to change the color of the copy. Okay, change to 144, 222 and 98. Okay, and select this item. Excuse me. And change the color. Okay, select. Change color to 134, 216 and 90. Okay, select two item, color. Very good. We can change the color darker. Okay. Now select Alt and Shift. Okay, change color. Shift 125, 200 and 255. Okay, change color to 125, 200 and 255. Okay, we can change now darker. Okay, select two items, drop color, and this. Okay, now we need another. Okay, select three items and hold Alt and Shift to scale. Okay, and select Alt and Shift. Change color to 255, 209, and 115. Zoom in. Okay, now select and change color to 255, 209, and 150. Okay, and change darker. And select two item eyedropper. Okay, we can change darker. Okay, very good. Now we want to arrange the ice creams. Okay. Zoom in. Okay. Okay, now we have four ice creams. Select and move up. Okay. Now to create pattern, select all ice creams and go to Object, Pattern, and Make. Okay. Okay, now change pattern name to ice cream. Oh, excuse me. Ice cream. And width to 600. Okay. And 5. Okay. Oh, ice cream. Okay, very good. Now we can move and rotate these ice creams as you can like. We can select two items and rotate, move, and move. Okay, center of this object and this. Now we can change this to 400, 450 or 400. Okay, it's not those. I think 450 is okay. And this to 550. Okay, now the pattern is okay. Get done. Okay, and we can delete and select object rectangle tool and draw a rectangle, and from swatch panel select ice cream. Okay, you can see the pattern here. Okay, you can modify this pattern. You can click pattern, double click in pattern in this panel, and you can see pattern option, and now select ice cream in tile. Okay, highlight blue border and scale. Okay, and change, for example, to 200 or 250, and this to 200 or 150, for example. Okay, and down. Okay, you can see new pattern. Okay, and good luck.